Hello everyone, I'm Kashika Narula from grade 10D and today I will be showing you a code on how to create a simple dialog box for sign-in sheet. So let me run this code and help show you. So here I have a screen. When I click on login, this pop-up box or dialog box comes up asking me to enter my username. I will enter my username as KASHIKA123. When I click on OK, the username gets entered over here and another dialog box showing enter password comes up. Here I will enter any password of my own which will be shown in small stars because password should be hidden. So I enter a random password with letters and numbers. Now when I click on OK, it will come up in the password. So it came up in the password. I enter all this random letters and then the random numbers. Now let me show you how to write this code. Firstly, I will create a new program, file, new project. It will be named as simple dialog demo. In it, I will name a Python file called main2 since there's already one main. I will close this for now. Now first basic is import tkinter, and then we need to from tkinter import star. Now the line 1, even if we put it then also no problem, and if we don't put it then also it will show no error. So just so that the lines of the code reduce, I will backspace this line from our code. So from tkinter import star, and then next we will be creating a root, root equals to tk bracket, that's it, and then I will put a title, root dot title title bracket inverted comma login sheet. And then after that, at the end of the code, we always need to put root dot main loop, like I always say. Now here I will firstly create a label. The label's name will be let's just say username, or wait, let's just put it up as k. So k equals to label, label, bracket. What is its container? Its container is the root. So root comma text, text is equal to, we will be putting it as login, or let us put it as username first, username inverted comma. Next I will be packing it. So packing it means if I run right now, the label won't come. For example, I will show you. If I run right now, just a root screen will come, no label. But if I pack it, so k dot pack, pack bracket, then if I run, now the label will come. As you can see, username. Now before I create this username, I need to create a button. So login equals to button bracket, root is its container, and then its text will be text equals to, text equals to enter information, information, comma, we can even put bg and fg. So bg I will be putting it as red, comma fg. So the bg is the background color and the fg is the font color. So fg will be, let's just put it as black for now, black. Even the regular one is black, but we will be putting it again, comma command. Now every button has a command. So here I haven't created any function yet for it to be in the command. So I'll just create a random name of function. Let's just say collect info, collect info. And now I will have to create a def over here, a function over here, or else it will show error. As you can see, if I click over here, unresolved reference, collect info. So for this unresolved reference, when I run, no def as collect info is not defined. Name collect info is not defined. So I will be here defining def collect info bracket inverted comma, and then over here I won't be writing anything inside the def right now, so I'll just put it as pass, not anything till now. Now after this k label, we need to create another label. So this label was our text, just the text of the username. Now I will create another label in which the actual information will go. So let me just put it as b bracket label. It's hanging a little bit. B equals to label root comma, root is the container again. Now here our text will be empty for now. As you can see, it is empty. Next, let us just rename this login button as A. Now as you realized, we need to pack this A also. So A dot pack bracket. Now we need to pack B also. So B dot pack bracket. Now as you can see, for this username and label, for this username, we created two labels. So similarly, we will be creating two labels for password as well. So password, and instead of K, let us put S again, and over here A, B के बाद C, so C. Now I will just write over here hashtag. So hashtag is a comment. So this code is for username, whereas this code, the below one, excuse me, this code is for the password. Is for the password, and the topmost code is the button. So this code is the BUTT on. Now let's run and check once. Run. Here we have a enter information button, a username, an empty label, a password, and an empty label. So now all we need to do is create the function when clicked on the username. So def collect info pass. So we'll delete this pass now. And now before I start, I want you to realize a few things. So there are two types of dialog box. One is simple dialog, which we will be using in this code, and one is complex dialog, which we won't be using in this code. So the simple dialog box, for the simple dialog box, first thing we need to do is import it. So from tkinter import simple dialog. Next, we need to create a label, or not exactly a label, but a variable in which this simple dialog will be saved. So user ID will be the first label and pass will be the second label. So user ID equals to simple dialog dot ask string. Since it is asking us a number or a letter, then it will be ask string. If it is only number, it will be ask integer. So we are asking string. So ask string bracket title and prompt. So title, title equals to username, and comma prompt equals to prompt is enter username. Username inverted comma close, bracket also close. Similarly for the password we will also do, and then we will configure this into our empty labels. So for this you have to wait and watch my next video. Please like and subscribe onto my channel and wait for my next video in which I will show the functioning of the actual simple dialog box. Till now we have the basic diagram behind it. So just a second, I'll show you. Run. And this is our basic dialog. So enter information button has no function yet. Username, empty label, password, and empty label. So in my next video, I'll be showing you how to enter a command for the enter information button. Thank you. Have a nice day. Please like and subscribe.